Luis.
Tapos, wala kasi ito ulit turista.
Meron man.
Basi basi pa. Ini ang taas mo po. Mga dustbin sa
Amot lang, matrukot ba na siya walk-in?
Di ko for that one.
Dili.
Pwede mo i-adjust. Di mo mo sana.
Thank you, Lucy Luis. Latuya, my daughter. How are you, my daughter?
Pagpasiyo na ka, para ni ka nung bupadyalaan.
Yes, I did, mommy. Siyangge, connect, Luis, sila Luis, okay? O, Siyangge, Latuya. My daughter. I use frozen broccoli. Oh, there's a frozen broccoli there. Oh, this one is rice. Hot rice. It's really hot, hot, hot. It's rice cooker. Latoya, my daughter.
Gaya ko mo.
Dagmay na gani na.
Bugani.
Madali maluto.
Ikaw po naman siya. Gagaya pa. No?
And it's yummy na. Mommy, I'm hungry, mommy.
Mami, kahay.
There's no frozen broccoli here, Lucy. Lucy Lee. How can I call you LL? I will call you LL. Lucy Lewis for short. Thanks for adding the link, Shangi. You're always welcome. And thank you also for being here always on my stream. I really high appreciated it. Lucy Lee Lewis. Kindly check this out. The one I pin above. It's Lucy Lewis, my gorgeous friend. Thank you much, all people. Small. Blah, 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 blah. Latuya, you have 417 followers. Latuya, you not call me anymore, mommy. I like chicken fried rice. Yeah, me too. Sometimes breakfast we have butter fried rice or garlic fried rice. But chicken, no. But I will try that maybe next day. If you have leftover fried rice. Latuya, my daughter, are you there? Check the one I pin above. Let's see, I have potato here, onions, white onions. This one is white. This one, I have purple onions. See, purple onions. This one is much tastier than the white one. I have chili here. Yan, chili, 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 chili.